Vectorworks 2026, loads of interface changes. One of the ones I like is the multiple view panes. They've changed this a lot. So now I know I'm in top plan, I can close this, I can make a floating view pane, so I can choose that. I've now got this floating view pane. I can pop this out. I can even put that onto a different screen. It's really cool. But the other thing I like here, I can split that horizontally. I can split that one vertically. Really handy. And there's the close, and there's a close one down here as well. Now I use the multiple view panes a lot. They're really dead handy. So when I want to zoom from one area to another, if I want to draw from this corner down to that corner, I can, because Vectorworks allows you to draw from one screen to the other, from one view pane to the other. That's really handy. Let's try in 3D. Now you can't do it from a 2D to a 3D, but let's try this one. Let's zoom out here. I want to zoom into this corner of the building. Now we used to use this when I was working in London in the old days, and you can see I can draw right across to there. Works really well. So thank you, Vectorworks. It might be a subtle change, but I really like it. It's really productive. If you love this movie, don't forget, give me a thumbs up. It really helps other people to find these. Subscribe if you're not already a subscriber, but even better, become a member of my community. Link in the description. Catch you later.